Hey everyone, and welcome. Want to make transactions quick and hassle-free? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate PayPal with GoHighLevel, making payments smoother for your clients. Let's dive in. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or consultant, processing payments faster is crucial. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide. Log in to your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on the Payments section in the left sidebar. Now, click on the Integrations tab. Here, you'll see an option to connect PayPal. Click Connect PayPal. You'll be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Once you've signed in, authorize GoHighLevel to access your PayPal details, allowing payments to be processed smoothly on your behalf. Once PayPal is connected, configure your preferred currency, tax rates, and set PayPal as your default payment method. This makes transactions seamless for your clients. And that's it. You've successfully integrated PayPal with GoHighLevel. Looking to optimize your payment process and enhance client convenience? Sign up for GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial today and start creating a seamless payment system in no time. Plus, to get the best start possible, be sure to book your kickoff call. All the links you need are in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this one.